Okay, continuation for the previous. Historical change in the sectors. We know that the initial stage of development, primary sector is the most important sector. Then secondary sector is the most important. Gradually there is some changes. We substitute another important sector, that is the secondary sector or industrial sector. Then now tertiary sector is the most important sector, but we want to discuss how tertiary sector is the most important sector, what is the reason behind it. But before discussing that, we want to compare just to compare these three sectors between here is 2 years, that means one is the 1973, then another is the 2003. Okay, all of you look at textbook. There is primary, secondary and tertiary sectors in India. There is one graph. Graph 1 shows the production of goods and services in the three sectors. That graph shows the production of goods and services in the three sectors. What are the three sectors? Primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector. This is shown for 2 years. What are the 2 years? 1973 and 2003. Here is 2 years. One is the 1973, other is the 2003. Then you can see how the total production has grown over the 30 years. 30 years means here is 1973 to 2003. What is the duration? 30 years. All of you look your graph. Look at textbook. There is one graph. Okay. This is. On the basis of here, what could you see? First one 1973. There is which is the most important sector. Primary sector is the most important sector. But in case of 2003, what is the most important sector? Tertiary sector is the most important sector. But in 2003, not only tertiary sector improved, other sectors also improved. Comparatively more improved or more production increased in case of tertiary sector. Other sectors also increased, but there is more increased shows in tertiary sector. Okay. Rising importance of the tertiary sector in production. That is the another heading. Over the 30 years between 1973 and 2003, while production in all the three sectors has increased. Okay, when we look the shows, we could understand one thing. There is a production increased. Not only one sector, the three sectors there is a production increased. Then it has increased the most in the tertiary sector. Okay, it has increased most in which sector? Tertiary sector. As a result, in the year 2003, tertiary sector has emerged as the largest producer sector in India. Okay, tertiary sector emerged as the largest producing sector in India, replacing the primary sector. The initial stage, we know that here is a primary sector is the most important sector, but now we can substitute tertiary sector is the most important sector. Why is the tertiary sector becoming more important or so important in India? There could be several reasons. Now tertiary sector is the most important sector in India. What are the reasons behind it? Okay, the first reason here is government provide some basic services. What are the basic services? The first reason, government provided the basic services. What are included the basic services? Hospitals, educational institutions, post and telegraph, police station, then banking, insurance, etc. are included the basic services. In every developing countries, government provide or government's responsibility to provide basic services. In case of India, here also government provided basic services. These all basic services are included in the tertiary sector. So, the importance of tertiary sector increased. Is it clear? It is the first reason. Then, what is the second reason? We know that here is primary sector. The importance of primary sector and secondary sector improved. Primary sector improved, secondary sector also improved. Automatically, tertiary sector so improved. Because we know one thing, here is tertiary sector or service sector, it is the mediator of the primary and secondary or the helper sector. Okay, that's why they need primary and secondary sectors produced something, but they need the help of tertiary sector. What are the help? Transport, trade, storage, etc. But that is the second reason. What is the second reason? Here is a primary and a secondary improved. Okay. Then third reason, our income increases automatically. All are depend upon mainly private schools, then private hospitals, then we want to eat food from restaurant. Okay, with that type of activity all are engaged. These type of activities automatically tertiary sector's importance increased. Then what is the fourth reason? Then here is certain new services arrived. What are the new services? Communication, information technology and communication. But these are the four important reasons for what? For increasing the importance of tertiary sector. All of you look your textbook. I just reading what are the, we already discussed it, but we want to discuss more details related to this from textbook. The first reason, in any country, several services such as hospitals, educational institutions, post and telegraph services, police stations, court, village administrative offices, municipal corporations, defense, transport, banks, insurance companies, etc. are required. These can be considered as basic services. In a developing country, the government has to take responsibility for the provision of these services. It's the government's responsibility. What government's responsibility? To provide basic services. The second one, the development of agriculture and industry leads to the development of services. Development of agriculture and industry leads to development of services such as, what are the services? Transport, trade, storage and the like, as we have already seen. That means here is certain things. Greater the development of the primary and secondary sectors, more would be the demand for such services. Okay, development of the primary and secondary, automatically here is a service sector or more services they needed. That's why the importance of service sector increased. Third one, as income level rise, certain sectors of people start demanding many more services. What are the services? Like eating out, tourism, shopping, private hospitals, private schools, professional training, etc. You can see this change quite sharply in cities, especially in big cities. These type of changes we can see which places, cities, especially big cities. Okay. Then fourth one, over the past decade or so, certain new services such as those based on information and communication technology have become important and essential. So important and essential, that means inevitable. It's very important. Communication. Then the production of these services has been rising rapidly. Chapter 4, we shall see examples of these new services and the reason for their expansion. Listen, here is the importance of information and technology, then communication. That's the most important details related to many matters included in our fourth chapter. We will discuss later. However, you must remember that not all service sector is growing equally well. Okay. Here is a service sector improved, but not all services are equally improved. Service sector in India employs many different kinds of people. Okay, we already said one thing, all service sector are not equally improved. What is the reason? Because here all services are not same. We know that different types of services included. Somebody well educated people, at the same time here is some poor people like street vendors, then here is another small shopkeepers, repair persons, that category of people also included in the service sector. Okay, at one end there are limited number of services that employ highly skilled and educated workers. At the other end there are a very large number of workers engaged in service such as small shopkeepers, repair persons, transport persons, etc. Listen, at one end there is a few people engaged or working. Which type of people? Skilled and educated people. At the other hand, okay, at the end of the other side, there is so many people working, but which type of people? Yes, there is some small shopkeepers, repair persons, then transport persons, etc. Then these people barely manage to earn a living, and yet they perform these services because no alternative opportunities. They have no other choices. They have no other opportunities. That's why they depend upon this type of jobs. അവർക്ക് പകരമായിട്ട് മറ്റൊരു ജോലി തേടാനാവുന്നില്ല. ജസ്റ്റ് അവരുടെ നീഡ്സ് കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ആയിട്ട് തന്നെ സാറ്റിസ്ഫൈ ചെയ്യാതെയാണ് അവരെന്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നത്, ഇത്തരം ജോലിയിൽ എൻഗേജ്ഡ് ആവുന്നത്. ദെൻ hence, only a part of this sector is growing the importance. You shall read more about the next section. Okay, we will discuss more details in the next section. Okay, all of you listen. Today we discussed something. What is the first one? Then historical changes in sectors. Before that we discussed comparing the three sectors. How can we compare the three sectors? We understood something. How could we compare? With the help of GDP. Then we discussed what are the historical changes. Historical changes, there is the initial stage of starting time, depend upon the primary sector, then secondary, then tertiary. Lastly we discussed tertiary sector is the most important sector. What is the reason behind it? Mainly four reasons behind the improvement of the tertiary sector. The first one, in developing countries there is a government's responsibility to provide basic services. The second reason is the improvement of the agriculture and industrial sector. Automatically the development of service sector also increased because there is certain services they demanded. Which type of services? Transport, then trade, storage, etc. Then third reason, the income increases automatically. We depend upon the more facilities like private hospitals, private school, professional college, that type of. Then lastly we discuss the importance or telecommunication. That means information technology and also communication. These are the main reason. Okay. All of you listen here. You want to read your textbook very carefully, line by line, because it's very very important. All questions coming from textbook. Okay, you know last year assertion, reason, that type of questions you expect that type of questions from textbook. That's why you should